AI was supposed to give engineering teams explosive output. Instead, for a lot of CTOs, it delivered a mountain of chaotic rework. If you look at two different engineering teams using the exact same underlying AI model, you will often see wildly different outcomes. Team A relies on raw models and unstructured prompts. Their agents go off script, repeat the same mistakes over and over, and require constant human babysitting just to get a usable piece of code. Team B uses FRAIM to manage their agents. These agents arrive with strict methodologies, operate within defined quality gates, and automatically synthesize what they learn after every single task. The critical differentiator in AI performance is no longer which model you use, it is the management system you apply to it. Fortune 500 companies hire McKinsey for their proven, accumulated methodology. Every consultant arrives with a system of recruitment, onboarding, and quality gates that guarantees results regardless of the individual assigned to the project. This model relies on three pillars. First, rigorous recruitment. Second, methodology libraries and embedded onboarding, so the team never has to guess what done looks like for you. FRAIM is the equivalent for the AI workforce. It ensures every agent arrives as a trained professional ready to execute, rather than a smart intern starting from a blank prompt. When you deploy a FRAIM employee, they never start their first day at zero. They arrive preloaded with over 100 job templates and deep skill libraries, covering specialized domains like AWS architecture, SOC 2 compliance, and contract review. Before any work begins, the agent instantly reads your specific codebase rules, style guides, and past project retrospectives. This preloaded system eliminates briefing meetings and onboarding weeks, ensuring the AI adheres to company standards on day one. Let's look at how a delegated task actually gets done. First, the FRAIM agent produces detailed specs and technical design documents by reviewing your prior code and historical pull requests. During the implementation phase, the agent writes the code and runs rigorous self-checks, executing type checking and full test suites entirely on its own work. This flowchart maps the execution loop, showing where the work moves from an implementation node into a strict barrier. This is the AI Manager, an automated quality review gate that intercepts the work before a human ever sees it. If there are any compilation errors or failed quality checks, the AI Manager forces the employee agent to iterate until the code is clean. This automated gate reduces human review cycles by 70%. CTOs and engineering managers are freed from hunting for basic defects, so they only review pass-graded, production-ready business logic. The final step of the FRAIM lifecycle happens after a task closes, when the employee agent writes an automated post-task retrospective. The system captures what worked and what failed in your specific codebase, automatically updating your organization's custom rule library for the next task. This chart shows how that compounding loop plays out mathematically. A system that gets just 1% smarter every day becomes 38 times more valuable by the end of the year. Raw models repeat their past mistakes infinitely. FRAIM guarantees that your institutional knowledge compounds with every single feature you ship. Engineering managers often spend nearly half their week babysitting AI agents, re-explaining context and fixing basic regressions. FRAIM moves the manager from a first-level reviewer of errors to a director of business outcomes. This org chart shows the new structure enabled by FRAIM. Because the AI managers handle delegation and quality enforcement, one human can direct 4 concurrent, fully self-checking work streams. By automating the quality gates and running these streams in parallel, the bottleneck of human oversight is removed. This allows a team to move from shipping a couple of features a week to managing a steady flow of updates throughout the day. When human intervention is limited to final approval of logic and UX, one engineer can achieve the velocity and autonomy previously reserved for a full-staffed product team. A common question is whether a company could build this management layer themselves with basic prompts. You could, in the same way you could theoretically build your own custom ERP from scratch. Building a living rules system with quality gates requires a full-time platform engineering team and up to 18 months of development to match what FRAIM provides out of the box. Standard AI copilots are designed to assist your existing employees and make them slightly more productive. FRAIM is designed to systematically execute and replace that rote work entirely. A senior engineer spent babysitting AI agents is a $200,000 asset wasted on manual rework. FRAIM recaptures that investment for a fraction of the cost, redirecting those minds back to core product strategy. Engineering leaders must stop trying to prompt engineer an institution and instead hire a managed system that actually